In this time I will show you how to make beautiful flower in Tunisian crochet. It is made with crochet hook and yarn. The petals of this flower made in Tunisian crochet. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Make 14 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. I have done 14 double crochet stitches. To complete this round, work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the third stitch, make single crochet. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. Make a chain of 5. We skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. We have done 3 chain spaces. We need to do 2 more. I chain at the last one and work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch, chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be the first petal. Now I'm going to work with Tunisian crochet. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the chain space and pull up a loop. We have 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 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 We have 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here what we have. The first row is ready. Begin the second row. Insert the hook into the first loop. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, and pull through. You can count the row by stitches. We have done 3 rows. In total it should be 9 rows. So we continue. We have the last new loop into the chain space. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's make the 5th row. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and insert the hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done 5 rows. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything correct. In total it should be 9 of them. You should continue by yourself. As I said before, each petal consists of 9 rows. I have done the first petal. Let's begin the next petal. Insert the hook into the loop. Then yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull through. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull through. Insert the hook into the next loop, pull through. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull through. The first petal is made. Here how it looks. Let's begin the second petal. Make a slip stitch into the next chain space. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make the second petal. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first row is ready. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 5 times. Then you should continue by yourself. I remind you, each petal consists of 5 rows, 9 rows. We have done 5 petals. The flower is ready. If you wish, you can decorate it with bead in the center. Here how it looks in yellow color of yarn. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.